Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can expand the background of your photos in CapCut Mobile. So if you have like a close-up or a half body photo like this, you can edit it on CapCut to make it like looks more wide and the background is expanding. And here's how you can do that. First, click on the photo, go to style and choose the autofill effect. Here there are two options. You can just choose which one. The first one, let's try the first one here. So the first one will look like this, and let's try the second one. You can see now the photo is expanding, like the background is looks more wide like this. So the second one is more like far from the object. I like this one more and I like with the result, so just click on the check icon when you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.